Hello everyone, my name is Anurag, founder of AVU. Today we are going to discuss about how to download VS Code in our laptop in Windows. So firstly, we need to open any browser. We go to the google.com, we search download VS Code. As you can see, we will have to click on the first link. And we need to click on window. You click, and you can see how downloading is started. Once you download it, you go to pack, open PC, go to the download folder and double click on it. As you can see, I accept the agreement. Next, if you want to create the VS Code icon in dashboard, you need to click here if you want and it has icon. So I click here, go to the next and install. We have to wait for a minute. So you can see our VS Code is downloaded. So get to the finish and it's automatically open, but we will not open it like that. We need to close it. We go to the desktop, create a new folder, YouTube, and open the folder and right click and open the folder. Some more options, open the VS Code. Now you can create your end file here like index.html. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment and follow our YouTube channel, AG Future Tech, and also our YouTube channel, RH_XL. Thank you so much.